Crazy Colors, premium acrylic leather, and shoe paint. Are you ready to get crazy? Crazy Colors is the choice for all levels of athletes, artists, and do-it-yourself enthusiasts. Crazy Colors offers a superior performing leather and shoe paint that is ideal for transforming leather into permanent custom pieces of wearable art. With 13 different bright and bold colors, you can create unlimited combinations and stunning, vivid artwork. Our kit includes 13 bottles in a variety of vivid colors, 1 bottle of leather prep deglazer, and 4 styles of paintbrushes. Safely use the paint on leather and other surfaces such as canvas, fabric, denim, plastic, wood, and more. Our paint is a premium permanent water-based, non-toxic acrylic leather paint that is waterproof, so you don't have to worry about ruining your artwork. It's also durable, flexible, and resistant to cracking, peeling, or scratching. Our leather paints can be mixed with an airbrush reducer to create an even, sprayable consistency. Scan here for additional Crazy Colors products. It's time to get crazy with Crazy Colors. Smash that like button, and please consider subscribing to our channel.